Commitment seems like a good thing, but sometimes it can hurt more than it helps. When you are too available, it makes you look predictable and takes away the excitement in the relationship. Women naturally thrive on mystery, and if you give up your edge too soon, she may lose interest. Commitment can change the entire dynamic. So I want to share with you 5 important reasons you should never commit to a woman in a hurry. 1. You give her nothing to chase. If you commit to a woman early, you will no longer be a challenge to her, and there will be no reason to keep chasing you. Women naturally invest more in a relationship when they feel there is something to work toward. It is a simple fact. If you hand over your time and attention too easily, she will not value it as much. And the thrill, the excitement, the feeling, all will begin to fade gradually. And once that excitement is gone, her interest can start to drop fast. Keep in mind that a woman who is uncertain will be more engaged. Do not hand over the prize too soon. When she has to chase you, she invests more emotion in keeping you, making the relationship stronger and her attraction deeper. So if you want a woman to keep chasing you, do not consider committing to her. 2. She will stop fighting for your attention. When a woman knows that you are always available, her motivation to keep your attention fades. Women naturally love competition, even though they do not openly admit it. If she feels she has you, there is no reason for her to fight, to keep you around. There is no challenge and mystery anymore. Women love knowing they are with someone who could easily attract other attention. It makes them value you more. By not committing to her, you are reminding her that she cannot take you for granted. Make her work to keep your attention when she is attached to you. As a result of trying to impress you, she is more likely to stay engaged and interested over the long time. So if you want a woman to keep fighting for your attention, do not give her commitment, no matter how much she pressures you. 3. You will become less attractive to her. Committing too fast can actually make you look less attractive to a woman. Women are naturally drawn to men who have confidence, independence, and a sense of mystery. When you commit without hesitation, it can send the message that you do not have many options or that you are too eager to settle down. This makes you seem less desirable. Show her that you are not in a rush and have your own priorities. Women respect and admire men who have other things going on in their lives and who are not quick to give up their independence. If she feels like she has won you over too easily, you are losing the very traits that made her interested in you, and you will definitely become less attractive to her. 4. You will give her certainty, and women hate it. Women may say they want you to open up to them, but too much certainty can make you become boring to them. If she knows exactly how you feel, the mystery and excitement will fade. A little bit of uncertainty will keep her chasing you and wondering what you will do next. By holding back just a bit, you will let her feel the thrill of unpredictability, which will make her become more attracted to you. Do not reveal all your cards or always make yourself available. A woman who feels a sense of mystery will keep coming back for more. If she is too certain of your commitment, that excitement will disappear. So if you want to keep her on her toes, do not commit to her. 5. She will look for somebody else to chase. If you commit to a woman fully and too early, she may eventually seek excitement somewhere else. Women crave challenge and are naturally drawn to the unknown. When she knows she has you completely, she may begin to feel bored. This is not a game. This is how female nature is. If she feels there is always more to learn about you, she will not feel the need to look for another excitement. A relationship with mystery, curiosity, and a bit of challenge will keep her interested in you alone. So if you do not want her to look for excitement elsewhere, it is important not to give her commitment. In conclusion, committing to a woman too soon is dangerous to the health of a relationship. If ever you want to commit, it should be earned and should not be within a short period of time. When you hold back, you keep her interest and attraction strong. Women are drawn to mystery and challenge, so rushing to show all your feelings can make things easily predictable. Let her work to earn your commitment, and you will find out that she will stay more interested in you. By keeping some space and letting her chase, she will become more attached to you because she does not know where she stands with you. Thanks for staying till the end. Tell your friends about what we preach on this channel. See you in our next video.